First question, a scene India Grassroots Innovation Forum AIGIF was launched in which country? Thailand, Malaysia, India, Cambodia. Correct answer is Malaysia. Second question, which country scrapped world first smoking generation ban to fund tax cuts? Argentina, New Zealand, Russia, Japan. Correct answer is New Zealand. Third question is, which institution launched Center of Data for Public Good CDPG? Niti Aayog, IISc, DRDO, IIT Madras. Correct answer is IISc. Fourth question is, MICE industry which was seen in the news is associated with which sector? Mines and minerals, meetings and conferences, milk and meat, medicines and chemicals. Correct answer is meetings and conferences. Fifth question is, IUCN has developed 3 action plans for threatened pollinator groups in which continent? Europe, Asia, North America, Africa. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Correct answer is Europe. Next question is, what was the theme of World AIDS Day 2023? Bridges of understanding, harmony and healing. Let communities lead. Community for healing. Correct answer is let communities lead. Next question is, exceptional chemical weapons tribunal has been recently proposed by people of which country? Options are Egypt, Vietnam, Palestine, Syria. If you like this quiz, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Correct answer here is Syria. Next question is, Wolf Amendment which was seen in the news is associated with which country? Options are USA, Russia, India, Japan. Correct answer is USA. Next question is, which space organization has announced its plan to launch its first X-ray polarimeter satellite, XPOSat? JASA, ESA, ISRO, NASA. Correct answer is ISRO. Last question is, where was the 5th edition of Global Ayurveda Festival held in 2023? Options are Mathura, Varanasi, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Correct answer is Thiruvananthapuram.